What's up, everyone? 3D Print 747 here, back with a quick update. So this is where I've gotten with the Anakin slash Darth Vader battle damaged helmet. The head is just primered, hand painted. It's not airbrushed yet, so I'm going to do all that to finish that up. That was just painted to see like what it would look like. The helmet is there, and then the head underneath, or the other part of the helmet underneath, has all of these little pieces that are glued in. I kind of angled them so you can see they're not perfect. They're like kind of stuck out on that side, kind of battle damaged like it's supposed to be, right? And then instead of printing a black eyepiece, I went ahead and used part of a welder's mask, a replacement plastic shield. I'll put a link in the description, and cut out some 3M tint. That way this will go on and you'll be able to see through it. You can see that right there, which is the idea. And then I also bought red to put on the inside of the eye, because if you look at Revenge of the Sith, when the helmet is coming down on Anakin, you can see that the inside lens is red. So I wanted to mimic that. And yeah, I mean, it's coming along pretty good. Got magnets here that pop that piece off, and we are going to be ready to learn how to airbrush here real soon. Alright, thanks for watching. We will catch you on the next update, and who knows, there might be a print or two in between that, because I really don't want to learn how to airbrush.
What? What?
But I know I have to. And I'm not looking forward to my results. So, alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already.